Hi, Daddy. Running thankful to God for answering my prayer. And I promise that I will love you and take care of you. Will always understand you, support you, and together we will progress. And grow. And Lord, thank you for the 11 months now. I will reach. I promise you, we will never quit. I will face it together. We will overcome it together. Because overcome it together. Because we know that we have a bigger God, guiding us from the very start. That many times comes that we are all with pale hair, white hairs. I promise you, I'm here sad, reminding you that there's one Jen who loves me, still loving me, and loves you so much. You are the one gift and blessing me. But I will forever give praise and thank you for him. I love you so much, Daddy, forever.
Nice.